everyone, Dina here. Just checking in to see how you're doing and see if y'all are enjoying this fall weather. Hopefully where you are, it's pretty and the leaves are starting to change and you're getting out there and taking some walks. I'm gonna head on out to the Dollar Tree and see if we can find some new Halloween items because Halloween is right around the corner. So come along with me. Look at these adorable mummy bags. They have drawstring. They're drawstring treat bags. You get 18 of them. Super cute. You could put candy in these or whatever you like. These are cute. They're little headbands with little witch hat on them. Look at the spider. Could use that for something in your house for a scary party. Let's see here. Erasers, those would make good party favors. These say that they are for a party favor. We've also got these eyeballs. Something there could, I guess you could put those in a party favor bag. We've got some mini little things. They are many little pails. Oh, we've got feathers. We could make a craft with those feathers. These little tin pails. Super cute. They come in all different styles here. Those are adorable. We've got some pencils that we could use for a party. Some spiders. And what else do we have here? We've got these cute little party favors. And some hopping toy. That's adorable. Party favors. Lots and lots of party favors here. Got these little spinning tops. These would make great in some more spider rings. No, these are bats. Let's see here. We've got these sticky looking bugs. I think kids love these. And we've got these little paddle balls. So if you're planning on having a party for kids, there are lots and lots of notepads and lots of party favors. Then there are these cute treat bags. You could use these for coworkers and put some treats in them for your coworkers. We've got these adorable necklaces and tablecloths. And in your kitchen, you've got more tablecloths. And these are cute boxes. These little bags would be cute for anything for pumpkin related. More Halloween pails, cute mummy box. These would be cute on a tree. Ornaments for a Halloween tree. These are cute little crafts you could make with kids. And look at more crafts. And more crafts. So if you want to make some crafts with kids, you've got lots of things to choose from. That'd be fun. Look at these more super cute candy corn bags for cookies or candy. These little boxes, they open up so you could put something in them. These are, I think, for the trees. If you have a small tree, like a little, oh, they have lots of ghosts Lots of hanging ghosts, and they're only $1.25. So this is really economical to shop with all these goodies, with everything only being $1.25. It's really a good deal. Love those ghosts. And then we've got some cups, more cups, and purple tray to put all kinds of food on. These web looking containers, you could put pretzels and candy, more containers, mugs, boxes, Halloween galore. These are adorable little pumpkins and skulls, cups, plates, more cute bags, treat bags, stickers, and all kinds of things you could craft with and put in some plants. So many things to choose from to make a very festive Halloween. These are so cute. So cute. Oh, we could make it spooky and haunted with these, and then they've got all kinds of signs here. So many signs. Happy Halloween, trick or treat, haunted house, jack-o'-lanterns. This door lights up. And I love this one. Neighbors have the good candy. That's funny. So many things. More ghosts. And then if you need to get some accessories for your kids to wear, they've got some fun things for kids to wear. Little adorable. More signs, and we've got more things for your door covers, danger, these little tombstones. They've got some different ones here. So cute. Skulls, more door signs, Dracula, skeletons, mummies, witches, necklaces, more signs. I love these upside down witch legs, fortunes, and happy haunting. Some bigger signs, spooky, haunted, welcome. Love these. That's so cute. And trick or treat signs, beware, haunted house. Hard to believe these are only $1.25. These are some treat bags that the kids could use. All different styles of treat bags. And some more skeletons. And danger, keep out. Some pumpkins, jack-o'-lanterns. More bags that you could put maybe some cute little gifts in, or cookies for the coworkers. Some orange spider webbing, and they have white spider webbing. Make your house or anything you want look spooky. This sign, danger, keep out. And then got some skeletons that you could hang, skeleton garland, and orange skeletons. This says eek. You could paint that. And we've got some more skeletons here hanging up. These are only $1.25, white and cream colored. And then these hands that you could use. Whoops. These are stencil kits, and you could really use them on anything. You can use on pumpkins or a sign. Need one of these to cut pumpkins, and then if you don't want to cut your pumpkins, you can just use these pumpkin kits right here. And these are styrofoam skulls, so you could do something fun with those. Pumpkin teeth. And then these are $5 and they light up. They look pretty cool, along with those skeletons. And they've got these adorable plush throws just for Halloween with these ghosts on them. That'd make a cute gift for somebody. So I've got some different styles here to choose from. And then look at these large signs. Those are $5. And for outside, you can do those. We got more signs. And this pumpkin. Oh, these are cute. We've got, I think these. So, I love those. Party bulbs, might need those. And these light up too. And these LED lights light up. Light with sound. Goodness. Glittery pumpkins. And if you like this, please like and subscribe. And I hope to see you again next time. I'm gonna head on out of here. So hope everyone has a great day.